Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare this amazing stewed cucumber. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have my chicken already marinated. I'll show you how I did it in just a minute. I have my diced cucumbers. I'll be using some scallion, thyme, and parsley, as well as garlic, onions, bell peppers, some tomatoes, tomato paste for the seasoning, some seasoned salt, bouillon, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some mushroom seasoning. So to season my chicken, I washed it up in some lemon juice, and here I have some fresh green seasoning, bouillon, black pepper, some complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and some Chief Chinese sauce. So basically what I did was added all of the ingredients to my chicken, mixed real well to combine, and allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour. So for this particular recipe, you want to use the super large overgrown cucumbers. You don't want to really use the young ones. So to my preheated pot, I did add some oil, allow it to heat up, and then I went in with my chicken. Just allow the chicken to sit here and release all of its moisture. Once the moisture is released, I'll show you what to do next. So now that the moisture is released from the chicken, you want to leave it uncovered and allow it to evaporate. Let all that liquid evaporate, and then we'll proceed to the next step. So at this point, you want to add your tomato paste. Just allow that to go for a few seconds or so. I like to cook away the acidity into the tomato paste a little, and then we will go in with our tomatoes and we will add the rest of our aromatics. We will give it a good mix and allow these to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you want to add your cucumbers, and we will add some more seasoning just to add flavor and taste. We will cover and allow this to simmer until it releases all of its moisture. Now you know that cucumbers is a very watery vegetable, so it will release a lot of moisture. Once the moisture is released, I'll show you what to do next. So now that the cucumbers has released its moisture, what we will do is the same thing we did with the chicken. You want to leave it uncovered so that some of that moisture can evaporate. Now you won't get all of it evaporated because basically you would have to cook this down until the cucumber melts, and I don't want that. So I will leave it this way. I like the little gravy in mine anyways because it's a stew. And there you see me adding my little herbs and give it a stir, and we will prepare to plate this up. This is it, my version of stewed cucumbers with chicken. So I did plate this up with some plain white rice, and it was absolutely divine. I know you know about the green squash and the zucchini and those other vegetables that are like cucumbers, but in my opinion, cucumbers has the best flavor, and when you stew it like this, it's absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.